It is normally the woman that is congratulated. And nobody will remember that the man kept sleepless nights in order to ensure that the baby came. So, Mr. President, we have always known that you are a thinker. We have always known that you are intellectually sound. We have always known that you care for your country. Those who have doubts can now discern from two major actions. The first was the cancer of fuel subsidy that many regimes could not obliterate. So you came and you did it, and today Nigeria is better for it. Many did not know that by the time you took office in 2023, Nigeria was on life support. We're using about 98% of the daily revenue of this country for debt servicing, and almost 90% was on oil subsidy. And so Nigeria was heading to the brink of collapse. When you came and you said that God brought you for a time like this, and you are prepared to ensure that Nigeria was saved. Here again, you have harmonized the entire tax system in this country. Stamp Duties Act, I think it was in 1901, but last reviewed in 1939. And then here we are, year 2025. We are still operating on even taxes and laws on taxation that were here before the colonial masters left. They were all incorporated into our laws.
Yes.
And you said this cannot be allowed to continue. Nigeria must be modernized. And modernizing the tax system means bringing more money for the development of the country. Today, you are signing these historic bills into acts of parliament. And I can tell you that even some of the states, when they see the outcome of what they are doing today, generations unborn will remember you. I want to say that myself and my brother, the Right Honorable Speaker, we had no doubt that you came with a vision. And we were determined in Parliament that nobody can stultify your mission for this country. You campaign on the basis of changing the country, changing the perception. And so there was no need for people, no matter what they said, the Parliament was determined to look at the bills and find out whether indeed they were good for this country and they will benefit the vulnerables and the common man and woman in the society. And at the end of almost 10 months of rigmarole, debates, consultations, public hearings, we came to the conclusion that yes, indeed, what you did and what you are doing now will be remembered for generations to come. No parliament makes a law for one particular regime. Laws are meant to last, and this is one law. These are laws that will last for generations to come. Nigeria has changed with what we are doing today. And I want to congratulate the entire members of the House of Representatives and the Senate, and congratulate all Nigerians and all stakeholders who made contributions towards what we are doing here today. Congratulations, Mr. President, and congratulations to all Nigerians, and congratulations to the leadership of the National Assembly.